crazy. I'm on medication. It's a slight delay. I done say I tell, yeah.
What's going on, YouTube? Shit. Boy, nah, I ain't doing that. YouTube shit, boy, them trying on back when I bang, man. Today, I'm at this car meet, yo. So we finna see how they mother go. Look at that car G. Oh my god, that mother. It's hard, I ain't gonna lie. But yo, like I was saying, y'all just finna be with me at this car show. I'm finna vlog it. So yeah. Alright, y'all, we finna see what's out here. Y'all see the fit check. You know what I'm saying? Fit check. Something slight. Something cooperative to school, so, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm saying, this truck be making noise though, bro. I heard this truck be making noise. They came in the parking lot tripping. But look, they got the G's lined up over here. Yeah, they got the G's over there, but this got the underglow. I am not a fan of that underglow though. Not even gonna lie. He probably tuned some more. Look how big that wing is, bro. Ford Focus. Q50 in. I'm saying that's next. That's next for sure. Then we got the wide body Lexus. They got a wide body Lexus. Nah, the wide body Lexus go crazy. Then they got the back to back. Jeez. The FR is racing in the parking lot. Back to back, jeez. But then you got the Silvia too. The Silvia. That M4 sounds so good, bro. I know y'all hear it. Everybody just now pulling up, man. Everybody just not pulling up. Got the Beamer boys. That much tune. Hold on, where they going? I need a sound clip real quick. Yeah, it's popping already. Man, but that old school so loud. Nah, I can feel it through my chest. Oh my god. I can feel it through my chest. That Ultimate clean. It's clean as Ultimate. I gotta get the sound clip of this real quick. That old school is so loud. I gotta get the sound clip. Finally, I could talk. Damn. This mug so loud. But that mug is so loud. It's just loud for no reason, bro. Oh my god. Not even loud for no reason. It's just fast. Not even I know it's fast. I want to come back here. I got the whole parking lot filling up. Everybody just now getting here. That G35 sounds good. I don't. I think somebody doing donuts over there. Hold on. 235. Quality. That's the Beamer boys. Mazda. That's the Infinity thing. Hold on. Infinity right there. This one right here. Swear, bro, this is crazy. How clean this BMW is. This white G35 or G37 right here is so clean, bro. Like it's so clean. I do not own copyrights. I do not own copyrights. Drag setter. Damn. Hold on, bro. Where the scat going? No. Hold on, we gotta get the scat. We gotta get the scat. Hold on. Hold on, hold on. Still talking about the Camaro? This is not a Camaro though. I was talking about. He's somewhere over there. But, you know what I'm saying? You know we Chevy boys over here. Oh my God, look at this Corvette though. Corvette. Oh. Oh my. Oh my God. Y'all see that? Don't panic. Oh my. Look at them. Oh my. Yeah, it's not. This is the best car here. It's the best car here for sure. Shit, big GOC.
Shine, what?